So as I continue in the Overland project that I'm building into the back of the Jeep here, I'm just going to show you the materials that I found for it. I'm not sure how sturdy these are. Obviously they're not quite made for this application, but I'm going to hope that they work. I used Home Depot has the cellular PVC trim. It's a expanded core PVC, and they use this exterior trim stuff. Lowe's does carry a similar product, however theirs is textured as if it were real wood. So this is the PVC, just the longer strips of it. This stuff is actually much more durable. The smaller runs of it, you can get up to I think 8 inches wide. I've got some 5-inch pieces here. And this is the base, which will sit in the back of the Jeep, and I'll have 2 drawers. There'll be one on either side. They pull out 30 inches out. I've got the roller bearings here for the slides for the drawers. I'm gonna have it decked off. Actually, one of the decking pieces is there, and it will flatten out the surface in the back of the Jeep, so the tilt of the seats creates an incline in the back space. I've tried to sleep in there once actually when I got the Jeep, and it was fairly uncomfortable, so I figured this way it'll give me some storage space and it will level out this and cover this gap. When I put the drawer system in, it actually stops here, so I'll still be able to fold up the seats. The gap in between will have 2 flaps that come up and meet with the wedge that sits on the back of the seat surfaces. And I'm going to actually attach it with these neodymium magnets that sit on the metal structure. So it's actually just going to pin itself down with 6 on the large piece and 4 on the small. I'll maintain the split so I can actually still use the passenger's compartment, so I can actually still put 5 people in the vehicle, 4 passengers, driver. And that will allow me to still use the vehicle as an overlander and also as a regular commuting daily driving vehicle. And I'll try and put the, sorry about the focus here, the lighting is a little brutal, but this is the drawer system in its space in there. PVC makes it really light. It's also weatherproof, so you won't have to worry about rotting like you would with wood, or any scent or odor that it might pick up along the way. As this is there, like I said, the 2 drawers will pull out. This is the very uniquely shaped top deck piece that covers the majority of the front, but hope you enjoy all these camera moves. So that decked over will be like that. That will continue all the way up to the back of the center console. And like I said, the wedge will be on the back seats. So this will have a piece here that will come out and then stop there, and then a flap that goes between the 2 that folds up. The flap will stay attached to right here and fold up, so it'll overlap the back piece. And as the seat comes up, you'll be able to have this wedge stay within the bounds of this, and the flap itself will hide that wedge. So it'll actually turn the back compartment with the seats up into an almost perfect squared surface, and then still allow you to have one half of it down so you could sleep and have seat 3 people if you needed to. But this is phase 1. As I continue, I'll make some updated videos, but I figured since I hadn't done any updates so far, that is the status quo. I do have the matching interior carpet that I'm going to completely cover the decking in so that it looks like the finished trim of the interior of the vehicle. You'll see the white, so it'll look just like the white. You can see peekabooing through on the body metal on the top, and then you'll see all the carpeting, which will match this exactly. So there it is.